Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Christmas gift ideas. It's just around the corner. Also, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. I wanted to start off with this one. That way, if you know someone that's just getting into mechanic work, or maybe they're a mobile mechanic, or maybe they just need a backup tool set. This is a great one to get from Pittsburgh. It's on sale right now for $99, normally $150. In this kit, they really pack everything in there. So you got your wrenches here, you have your pliers, deep and shallow sockets, 1/2 inch, 3/8, a quarter, some extensions to go with all that, a wobbler. So overall, this is actually a really good one to go with. This is a good one to just throw in your truck or your car and be able to go help anyone out that you need to help out without having to get all the tools you need out. Everything's in just one case here. Alternatively, if you don't like Pittsburgh for whatever reason, here is one I definitely recommend. It is Craftsman 206 piece, standard and metric. Honestly, I think this is probably the better kit to get. This is Craftsman, they lifetime warranty it just like the Harbor Freight ones, but it comes with spark plug sockets, Allen keys, and I've seen this set up close and it has a lot of really good high quality tools. If you do decide to pick this one up for somebody, I would get them this Cobalt assorted plier set. It's a really good set and it is on sale for $25, normally $30. So you're not saving a lot, but you'll save a little bit right now. Okay, so next up on the list is a flashlight. This flashlight right here has not been $17.99 in forever. It is normally $30 and on sale it's normally $25, and sometimes you get lucky and find it for $20. This light right here, I have really put through its paces, and I have left it under vehicles before, and then when I get back from road testing them, I have broken them, but they still work even though it's like disconnected. All that's hanging on is just a pair of wires. They're extremely bright, and the magnet on it is extremely strong. So when working on any cars, I absolutely love working with this light. Okay, so on to our next one. These are the Duratec 5-piece magnetic swivel spark plug socket set. This set right now is on sale from $40 down to $28.79. These are awesome for anybody. They come with extensions already built into them. They're magnetic instead of the rubber grommets. I hate rubber grommets, and most mechanics you meet will also hate the rubber grommets because they tend to fail and go bad, where this will never go bad. So you can use these forever. It makes pulling out spark plugs so much easier and putting them in so much easier, and I cannot recommend these enough. Okay, so now on to the next one. We have our 6-piece, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, standard and metric socket holder set. This is the set that I have in all of my toolboxes, and I personally love them to death. As you can see here, it's got the numbers written on them, and the front side is for your shallow sockets and the back side's for your deep sockets, and it just makes workflow a lot faster. It will help you not lose or forget any of your sockets. So for me, this is a must-have tool for any mechanic out there, whether they're a beginner or an expert. Now, a lot of people decide to go with the ones that have the long poles sticking up, and those are nice, but they tend to break very often, where these seem to not break. Okay, so next up, we have race ramps. Now, this is a really good company, but now this is $500 pretty much. It's extremely expensive, but whoever receives this will be very thankful. The great thing about these is if you look right here, you can actually separate them whenever you get the car up onto them. That way you can go underneath the side or anything else, and it makes working on it a ton easier. They're also lightweight and really durable, and they are safe to be under. So if you do got the money and you know someone that doesn't work with 2-post lifts or lifts in general, if they work at their house or anything like that, then I highly recommend you picking these up. Now, I know everybody doesn't have $500 to drop on just one gift for somebody, so I try to find an alternative. And this is a pretty good alternative. I've watched a lot on these. I don't actually have a pair myself, but they're supposed to hold up to 12,000 pounds. It's on sale right now from $80 to $50. And everybody that I see using them say they really like them. They're easy to tote around. To me, they do look flimsy, but like I said, I've seen so many people using them and haven't really heard any bad things about them, so they must be doing their job. Okay, so moving right along, we'll go over here to Home Depot. Now, if you're buying something for someone that's getting into DIY work around the house, this is a great starter kit. It's $199, normally $299. With it, you get 6 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, bag, and accessories. Right now is the time to get into this lineup. Ryobi will always make the same battery even if they make new tools, so that is their big thing that they have promised everyone, and a great reason to get into them. And with this, as you can see, you get a skill saw, a Sawzall, multi-tool, flashlight, drill, and impact driver. You also get a little battery charger. So to me, this is actually a really good set just to pick up for home use. But now for my favorite brand, Milwaukee, I also love DeWalt. But for Milwaukee, you can pick up this one for $499, normally $1,000. And you get pretty much the same stuff. You get your drill, your impact driver, flashlight, 2 big batteries, charger. Get a grinder with this one, which is really nice for mechanic work. You get your multi-tool, your hacksaw, and your skill saw. This is a bit pricey, but even if you just buy them 1 or 2 out of this, they would still be happy, I'm sure. Now to get back to mechanic stuff, if we go right here, we have our Milwaukee electric ratchet. Now this one I've used and abused beyond belief, and it still works for me. This is their upgraded version right here, but this one's on sale right now for $199, and it's normally $400. So what makes it so much more expensive is these batteries right here. These batteries cost a lot by themselves. That's the downside with any electric company you go with. But if someone does not have this tool, to me this is a must-have mechanics tool. If they don't have this, 100% this will make their life better. It took me forever to buy mine, but I wouldn't want to look back now. So another one I would think about is this extended reach ratchet. This one's actually really handy. It's not on sale, so I would go to Amazon or eBay, somewhere else to look for it, because this isn't a good price at all. You can usually find them for about $140 to $170. I think it's about $170. So if they already have just a normal ratchet, this is a huge upgrade for them, and they're already on that platform. Most mechanics will have this or Snap-on, and to me, Milwaukee beats Snap-on when it comes to electric tools. Okay, so finally we come to our last one that I want to show you. These are called induction heaters. I don't have one myself because once again they're pretty pricey, $230. But if you live in the Rust Belt especially, then this right here would be a lifesaver. To me, it'd be extremely convenient to be able to use this on any rusty bolts that I have or nuts, but I can deal without it. Where if you live up north, I would 100% recommend this. And you don't have to get this brand. Like I said, I don't actually own this, so I don't know which one's the best one out there, but they all pretty much do the same thing. If you look right here, this will heat up when you press a button, and anything inside this circle will heat up cherry red, which, as any mechanic knows, once it heats up, you can usually easily spin it off. The cool thing about this, it comes with its own case. It comes with this where you can make your own. And then it comes with a bunch of different sizes, all ready to go in one package. But that's going to do it for this video, and I hope it's able to help somebody out there find a gift for their loved ones. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down there in the comments down below. Other than that, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.